Okay, we're to solve this linear system by elimination, which means we want to cause one of the variables to cancel out. If this was instead of negative 2y, if it was negative 4y, then the negative 4y would cancel with the 4y below it. We can make it that by multiplying the top equation simply times 2. Then instead of 14x's, we have 28x's. Instead of negative 2y's, we have negative 4y's. And instead of 1, we have 1 times 2 is 2. Let's just bring the second equation straight over. 5x plus 4y equals 4. And notice if I add the two equations, the y's will completely cancel out. And we're left with 28x's plus 5x's. That adds up to 33x's. And that adds up to 6 on the right side of the equal sign. Finally, if we divide both sides by 33, we'll find what x is. X is equal to 6 divided by 33, which is the same as 2 divided by 11, because that's 2 times 3 divided by 3 times 11. The 3's cancel, we're left with 2 11ths. So that's the x-coordinate of the intersection of these two lines, and now we need to go find what the y is that goes with this. So we could use any of the earlier equations to find y. I think I'll use this one. Use the simplest one. The simplest one is usually best. So taking this equation and plugging in what we already know now, that x is 2 11ths, we have 5 times 2 11ths plus 4y is equal to 4. And 5 times 2 11ths is 10 11ths, so 10 11ths plus 4y equals 4. We could multiply both sides times 11 to get rid of the fraction there, or we could just deal with it directly. I think I'll just deal with this one directly. Just take 10 11ths away from both sides, and you have 4y, 4 times y, is equal to 4 minus 10 11ths. Now, 4 times 11 is 44, so 44 11ths is just 4, minus the 10 11ths, we're subtracting from it. 44 minus 10 is 34. So 34 11ths is 4 times y. And if we take a fourth of each side, so we have 4 y's on the left side of the equal sign, and multiply times a fourth on both sides of the equal sign. And that's times a fourth on the other side as well, a fourth of 34 11ths. And a fourth of 4y is y. And let's see, 4 goes into half of 34 is 17. So a 2 goes into the 2 up there that divides in there 17 times. So we're left with 17 divided by 2 times 11 is 22. A little bit more than that last one. This last bit you could think of as 1 over 2 times 2 times 11. And 34 is 17 times 2. So we could cancel out a pair of 2's, and we're left with 17 over 22. Therefore, the point of intersection of these two lines has x-coordinate 2 11ths and y-coordinate 17 22nds. So there's the solution of our linear system.